Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to reset Roblox profile picture. First, open the Roblox app. Then go to your profile. Right-click on the page and select Inspect. From your right panel, go to Console. Now, in a new tab, open a website called gist.github.com. You need to copy this complete script. After that, go back to your Discord app. In the section of Console, you need to paste that copied script. Then, on distance scale, you need to type 1. After that, on thumbnail type, you need to write 2. Then press the Enter key. Your profile will be reset. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.